how to make and create LinkedIn post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy to create a LinkedIn professional post. Go to canva.com and log into your account or create a new account. Now go to the top here, click on create a design and click on it and search for LinkedIn. Go down, click on LinkedIn post, and now it will take you to this page. As you can see, you have many templates. Choose the template you want and you can change the picture, the text, and everything can be changed right here. Very easy and fast. It's so easy and professional, as you can see. After you finish, click share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.